Do you feel like if one more person tells you that AI is going to change everything, you might scream? I mean, I get it. I'm right there with you. It's a bit like when everyone was raving about their new fitness trackers a few years ago. Sure, there was a lot of hype, but strip away the marketing and what you're left with is a genuinely useful tool that helps track and improve your performance. And AI is similar. Beneath all the buzz and bluster, it's simply a powerful tool to enhance your content creation process. Hi, I'm Dave from Proud Business Productions, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm video ideas and create your draft script. And if you stick around to the end, there's a bonus tip to take your script to the next level. Now, the problem most people have is that they straight up ask ChatGPT their question without providing any cues or context, and this will give you very generic results. It's like saying you want to buy a house without telling the estate agent where you want to live, how many bedrooms, what kind of neighborhood, if you want a driveway, etc. The estate agent can line up a load of houses to show you, but they probably won't be right for your needs. So let's fix that. I'm a videographer who works with medium to large size businesses, but to show you how to use this tool, I'm going to roleplay as a solicitor specialising in conveyancing whose target market is 30 to 40-year-olds looking to buy their first home. So the first thing we need to do is tell ChatGPT how we want it to act. It's the difference between asking your mate down the pub what's going to happen in the financial markets and asking a top-level investment banker. To do this, I will say, I want you to act like a professional video marketing strategist who specialises in helping businesses use video to find new clients. This is priming ChatGPT to give you a more specialised response. Next, we need to set out who we are and what we're looking for. So we're as medium-sized solicitors who specialise in conveyancing in the southeast of England. Our target market are 30 to 40-year-olds looking to buy their first home. We would like to create a range of videos to bring us new leads and clients, but we need help brainstorming video ideas. Before we move on, you don't have to worry too much about spelling mistakes and grammar because they'll pick up on that. And to keep it all in one prompt rather than having multiple prompts, you can select Shift and Enter to make a new paragraph as well. So lastly, and this is a game changer, you need to ask ChatGPT what it needs to know to help you get the best advice. So you're going to write, "What do you need to know to help me achieve this?" Press enter and ChatGPT will come back with a list of questions for you to answer. Let's have a quick look at these. So you can see they've broken it down into easy questions for you to answer in different sections. So literally just want to go through these and maybe have a different paragraph for each of the different sections. So I'm just going to go through that now and fill out any that I can. If I can't fill out any, I'm not going to worry, I'll just move on to the next one. So if you have a quick look at these questions, they're very good questions to help figure out what it is that you're looking for, what types of videos, those sort of things. So I've answered all these and I'm just going to press enter and see what it comes back with. Okay, so ChatGPT's had a think about it and it's come back with a whole list of ideas to look at. And you don't have to use all of these, you could just get ideas and then take them further. And remember, you can talk to ChatGPT like a person. So if you don't like any of the ideas, let it know and guide it on how you'd like to improve. For example, you could say, come up with new ideas, but give them more of a professional tone. So now you've got a long list of video ideas and you could actually go into each section and get even more video ideas from that base idea. So expert tips for first-time home buyers, you could ask for 10 different ideas based around that concept. But we're going to stick with these ideas here, so what are we going to do with them? Literally, you could just type create video scripts from these ideas and be done with it. But if we use the same process as before, but tweak a few things, we'll come away with a much better first draft. So I'm going to open up a new tab here, and again we need to tell ChatGPT who it will act as. This time, let's change it up a bit. I want you to act like a professional copywriter who specialises in writing video scripts for businesses in the UK. Next, we can just copy and paste the information about ourselves and our target market. Now, another really good tool is if you would like ChatGPT to emulate a certain tone or brand voice, then you can write, I want you to use the following text below as a tone guide for the script. And then you just copy and paste your work like any blog posts or former videos. Obviously, I'm making all this up, so I haven't got that. You could finish here, give it the video idea and let it write a script, but again, let's use that superpower. What do you need to know to help me write a script? We've got a list of questions, some really good ones here. What your objective, what your key message and USPs, your tone and your style, your call to action, length and format, brand guidelines and distribution channels. So it's really going to hone in on getting it personalized to you. Through the magic of editing, I've answered them all, and I've just added on the bottom that the concept of the video is top 5 tips for first-time home buyers. So now we just need to enter and see what it comes back with. And voila, we have a script. Of course, this is just a first draft and you'll need to go through and check all the information is correct and rewrite sections to put it in your own voice. But this has made a 2-hour process take a few minutes, giving you more time to actually create the content. You've stuck around this long, so I want to give you a little bonus tip. There is another AI model that is more geared towards writing called Claude. If ChatGPT is like your everyday running shoes, reliable and great for most situations, Claude is like having a pair of specialized carbon-plated racing shoes. They're both excellent tools, but each has its specialized strengths. Claude tends to excel at writing tasks, like carbon-plated racing shoes are optimized for speed. So how should you use this? Well, if you want more analogies added to your script, or maybe you need a better hook at the beginning, just use the same process as we did for ChatGPT. Tell Claude how you want it to act, what you're looking to achieve, and what it needs to know to help you achieve this. I hope you found this helpful. If you have, give the video a thumbs up. If you'd like a real human person to help you create videos for your business, then I've been doing just that since 2011. You can find links to my website in the description. Get in touch and let's see how we can work together. See you next time.